everyone, it's Tammy, and I thought I would do a vlog on my way home from Taylor University. I spent the weekend with my daughter and had a wonderful, fabulous time. I do have some Starbucks that I got before dropping her off, but all she wanted was venti water. So that's what she got, and then I got 2 birthday cake pops for her too, because those are her favorite. So she's going to be writing a paper and studying, and I thought that it would be nice for her to have a little treat to do that. Yeah, so that was fun. What did we do? Let's see, I got there on Thursday, and I actually happened to see her coming out of this building, which was awesome because I was parking to go into that building, and I know she had class, but she was leaving. I got there early, so she was leaving to go to class from one building to another, and I happened to see her, so I got to say a quick hello. And then I went into it's like the student center is in that building, so I went in there and I got a coffee. I know you're surprised. And then I sat down and I took care of some stuff, and I started to knit. I brought my knitting with me, and then when she was finished with class, we met up, and let's see, what did we do? Goodness, it's hard to remember. I don't know, my brain is crazy. I miss my girl already, and I miss my boy, so I'm going, I'm partly going ahead and doing this vlog now so I won't be sad thinking about missing her. But anyway, what did we do Thursday? We may have gone to eat at oh no, first we went to work out, and then we went, I think we did go eat that evening, and I got Mexican, which was really good. I got like they have a buffet kind of a dinner, which I think is how most colleges do, but you can go in and you can pick. There's an Italian station and a deli meats station and a salad station and a Mexican station and like grilled food station. So I got some, I did like a taco salad, but I did it with no shell or no chips, and I just did a little bit of the meat, and I got there was shredded chicken, shredded beef, and shredded pork, so I got a tiny bit of each one with some pico and guacamole and cheese on top. It was really good. And then I got some salad on the side, so then I could mix it together, and I had like a nice taco salad, and it was really good. And Katie got some yummy looking stuff. I don't remember exactly what she got. I know it was pasta, but she enjoyed that. And then Friday I took off of work, and I got to, this was like the best day of 2019 that I have had so far, for sure. It was the best day I've had in a long time. And we went to chapel at 10, and then we went to class. She had a jewelry class at 11, and we both worked on little necklaces, and I made this one. It has like little flowers on it. It is super cute, and she had prepped it for me already. And this is enamel, or I think metal enamel is what they called it, something like that. And she had prepped it. She'd already done like the side of it and prepped it to get ready for the front. So I did the front of it. It was just copper when I started, so it's really cool. And then we did a round one too, and she's keeping that one and I'm keeping this one, and it's just wonderful. It was so sweet. And then she had class, she had a different class, so then I went back to the student center, got another coffee, and I waited for her, and I knitted, and I ordered some groceries, and I just kind of did my thing. I paid some bills, And then Katie, we had talked about going to sushi later that night, and Katie texted me and said, I'd really like to go for sushi now. And I'm like, well, let's do it. Nothing's stopping us, So we did. We ended up going for sushi after her class, and that was wonderful. And then and I'll try to remember to put some pictures at the end of this, too, so you can see. And then we came back to we went to the Dollar General store. There was a new one that was opened by her, and they had some really nice stuff. I had stopped there on my way to get some creamer for coffees because I knew that they had a Keurig, so I had brought K-Cups, but I needed some creamer. So the Dollar General was great. It had everything we needed. Had some snacks I got for Katie's room. I got some pretzels with some spinach dip and some chips and queso, and a little bit of candy for her, and some dried fruit for her, and some trail mix. I just thought of some things that I thought she might like, so I picked up a few things. And then when we went together, she got a couple other things. I don't even remember what, but we spent a little bit of time looking around and got whatever, and then we went back to the room, and we didn't even go for dinner that night since we had sushi around 4. We just decided to have snacks, and we had leftover sushi, so we ate some of that later, and we just had some pretzels and chips, or I think she had some chips and salsa, and it was just fun. We just had a good time and hung out and watched Netflix comedians, and we just laughed and talked and knitted and just had a great time. And then Saturday we woke up and it was really cold and snowing, so we stayed in the dorm all day on Saturday. We didn't even leave the building because it was so cold. We went and got some food, and then actually we ordered some food from Taco Bell, and it was delivered, which was really cool. But we almost didn't want them to deliver because we didn't want them to be out in the mess either, but they said that they were fine and that they would love to deliver it the way that, I guess it's, college-y. So, and they did do a really good job on all of the roads and the streets and the parking lots and all of that. And there's not a lot of kids in school right now. She's in something called J term, which is January term, and it's a small or shorter, intense classes so that she, she can get credits quickly. And I don't know, it's offered to every student, and I think that they might be required to do it at least once, but Katie's done it every time because it's less expensive, and it helps to ensure that she'll graduate in 4 years, which I think is a neat thing. So there was that. And then so Saturday we had gone down to get lunch around 1:30, and the cafeteria closed at 1:30, and we didn't know, so that's why we ended up ordering some Taco Bell. And then later we went back to the place to get dinner, and they wanted to make sure she wasn't trying to get over into the middle lane as well. She or the machine for debit cards was out, so she let me eat for free, which was really kind of nice because it's usually $9 a person. So that was kind of nice. I got to eat dinner, and then on Sunday today we woke up, and she sleeps in a little bit, so I went to the student center and was knitting until she woke up. And then when she got up, I came back to the room, and we listened to a church service together because we knew that to get the car defrosted and to get out it would take too long and church would be over, the one that she usually likes to go to. So we decided to just do church service in the dorm room. So we did. We listened to church service, and then we got ready and we went out and started the car. It took like a half an hour for the car to get defrosted, and I was worried that it wouldn't start, and it did though. She did a great job, and but it did take a while for it to defrost, and so that we could actually get on the road. And then we went to sushi again. Katie wanted sushi, so we went to sushi again, and then we went and saw Mary Poppins. So that was really nice. And then I dropped her off, and I am now on my way home, which is bittersweet. I mean, I like being home. It's my favorite place to be, and it'll be nice to get back to normal, but man, I already miss her like crazy. And I've been talking a lot to my son, which has been great. He's doing good. And yeah, so it was a really good time, and I'm excited to see my dogs and cats and husband, and but man, something about kids that are getting older and you can kind of, you can be their friend too. It's kind of neat. It's something for sure. It's just a new season, but man, leaving her makes me really sad. So need to go home and squeeze my husband and my animals, and then I need to call my son and squeeze him too. Well, and it's getting a little dark, and it is, I've been talking for 11 minutes, which is great. I just wanted you guys to know kind of what was going on, and I hadn't updated for a little bit, but life has been a little crazy. I've had some curveballs thrown in there, and I don't know, I might tell you guys about those sometime, but right now I'm not going to. But just so you know, things are going well right now, and things are looking up, and the family seems happy, and we're all healthy, and whew, that is fabulous. So here's to a happy and healthy 2019. Thanks guys, I'll talk to you soon. Yay, we're walking to the DC. Hi, chicken. Hello. This is the little walkway. Ooh, look at all this snow.
It's cold.
It is cold in this little walkway. But Kaity doesn't have to leave her dorm. She can just go straight from her room to the DC. Dining Commons. And over there is where we worked out earlier today. Right there's the workout room. It's a beautiful campus. And here we are. This is the view from Kaity's room. It is icing outside, kind of yucky. There is somebody walking to the dining commons over there. You can't see him though, but he wasn't slipping and sliding, so that's good. Not very many cars here. But yeah, that's what we got going on. We're gonna walk over to the dining commons soon, which is just right there, but we can do it inside, which is nice.